Mr. James. Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. I sent you an email and I thought I'd do a walkthrough on a Sonata hybrid. Now you didn't specify what kind of trim package you were looking at, so I took the opportunity to pull this one out for you to give you a very brief overview. Right this way. This has got those very sporty alloy eco rims. Now in the back, you've got ample room for 3 passengers. This is all leather with heated front seats. On the steering wheel, you've got your volume control, your cruise control. The trip button, it toggles through your back display. You've also got the Blue Drive. We'll go into that whenever we meet. Your Bluetooth, I pair your phone before you drive off the lot. This also comes equipped with navigation, backup camera, CD player, auxiliary iPod, USB, AM, FM, XM satellite radio is free for the first 3 months. Now, I want to touch base on a couple of things. Miles per gallon is one of them. With the hybrid, you'll get on the highway 40 plus miles in the hybrid. Very fuel efficient. Matter of fact, you're probably going to only put in a couple of gallons of gas, which would get you 100 miles. Also, but the most important thing I want to tell you is the America's Best warranty. There is a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years. This also comes equipped, as far as warranty, a lifetime warranty on the lithium battery. You never have to worry about that expense. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. This also comes equipped with BlueLink telematics. We'll go more into that whenever we meet. Call me on my cell, 205-907-4700, or the office number is 205-380-6250. Again, Shannon Coward, 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron, Mr. James, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you.